Well, this week you might have received your new flood insurance rate. This is the first of multiple 18% rate hikes from FEMA's new Risk Rating 2.0.
Yeah, that affects how much you pay, and many people are getting some serious sticker shock from it. We've been covering this crisis for a while, and Alyssa Curtis is joining us with what homeowners and insurance agents are saying about it. Alyssa?
Yeah, an insurance agent told me rate increases are just all over the place, with some seeing increases up to $15,000. Whichever end of the spectrum you're at, you should be getting your first partial increase within the next couple of days.
Hurricane season is about 2 months away, but the cost to protect your home from it is getting to your mailbox now.
They're going to get 18% increases each year over 5 years.
The first of many 18% rate increases is being sent out to residents. The new rates are coming from the National Flood Insurance Program's Risk Rating 2.0. Insurance agent Dan Burkhart received his.
Every year that's going to go up in increments to get me up to the full risk premium.
He says thankfully his didn't increase too much, but he says that's not the case for everybody.
In some cases, it's out of range. It's in the 10, 15,000 range. That's completely crazy. Now, they took away the zoning that they used to use. They used to have flood zones. It no longer exists. Flood elevations used to be the game changer. A lot of that stuff has went out the door.
Burkhart says there's still a lot of questions on how the NFIP is coming up with these rates. And in the meantime, he says there's unfortunately not much residents can do to offset the cost. One thing he says you can do is make sure your flood insurance doesn't lapse.
Something happens, you lose all of the opportunity to gradually go into the higher rate. You'd have to start over.
He says not only is it affecting current homeowners, but also people wanting to buy.
People buying new homes are being forced to pay the 2.0 flood rate without any gradual scale. So that's another deterrent for new home buyers.
Just moments ago, we got a response from Insurance Commissioner Tim Temple's office. It reads in part, Louisiana policyholders are already experiencing a crisis in the availability and affordability of homeowners insurance. We need more transparency around how the NFIP is calculating risk so we can determine if it's being done accurately and fairly.
All right, Alyssa, thank you so much.